Let's talk about a common garden headache: water that just won't soak in. You water your plants, but the soil acts like a raincoat. Water beads up or runs off, leaving roots thirsty. This is hydrophobic soil, dirt that repels water instead of absorbing it. It's especially common in sandy soils, dried-out pots, or neglected garden beds. The result? Plants wilt, water is wasted, and your efforts feel pointless. But don't worry, this isn't a sign of bad soil, just soil that needs a little help. Hydrophobic soil happens when a waxy coating forms on soil particles, blocking water from getting to the roots. It's a fixable problem, and you're not alone. Gardeners everywhere deal with it. Let's break down why your soil turned water-resistant, and how to get it back to soaking up every drop. Ready to turn your dirt from water hater to water lover? Let's dig in. So, why does soil start repelling water? It's usually due to organic matter breaking down and leaving behind waxy residues. When soil dries out and bakes in the sun, these waxes coat the particles, making water bead up instead of soaking in. Using unfinished compost or certain mulches can make things worse. Adding more water-repellent material. Want to test your soil? Pour a little water on a dry patch. If it sits on top or the soil below stays dry, you've got hydrophobic soil. Healthy soil is full of life and moisture, but when it dries out or gets the wrong inputs, it loses its balance. The good news: this isn't permanent. With the right approach, you can restore your soil's ability to hold water. It's all about rebuilding that healthy sponge-like structure. Let's see how to fix it. Time for action. First, break the surface tension with a wetting agent. Add a few drops of unscented liquid soap to your watering can and soak the soil slowly. Repeat as needed until water starts soaking in. Next, add high-quality, fully decomposed compost. Spread 2 to 3 inches and gently work it into the top few inches of soil. Compost acts like a sponge, helping soil hold water. For a long-term boost, add a bit of biochar. This porous charcoal improves water retention and supports soil microbes. Rake it in lightly after composting. Finish with a 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch, like aged wood chips or straw. Mulch keeps soil cool, prevents it from drying out, and adds more organic matter as it breaks down. Keep mulch a couple of inches from plant stems to avoid rot. These steps transform water-hating dirt into a thriving, moisture-holding foundation. It's simple, effective, and your plants will thank you. Let's keep it that way. Fixing hydrophobic soil is just the start. Keeping it healthy is the real goal. Water deeply and less often to encourage roots to grow deep and strong. Use soaker hoses or drip irrigation for efficient watering. Add compost once or twice a year to feed your soil's living community. Check your soil regularly. If it starts to dry out or repel water again, repeat the fixes early. Healthy soil means healthier plants and less wasted water. By caring for your soil, you're building a resilient, sustainable garden. Now, get out there and help your dirt do its job.